What's up, girl gang? It's your girl and it's your girl here, back with another video. And today's a new day. I don't know what was the last time or day I packed, but y'all probably see that in this video. I'm very congested right here. But right now I am packing up my closet. Really, I threw away some stuff some months ago that I really didn't want to keep, and now I'm going back for another thing of throwing stuff away. So right now my purses are still up there and some stuff still up here. Then these are the clothes that I wear, divided up there. So I need to go to the store and get some containers. This is trash. These I might be giving away. My TV box. This is full of what is that? Swimming suits that I need to pack, and those are some extra boxes I need to take out. My room, please don't judge me, y'all. So my room doesn't have really good lighting, so I'm gonna show y'all. These are the shoes I do wear. These are my boots, my jackets, and these are clothes that I can't fit, or actually I can't fit these. Why is this in here? I'm giving this away, this, and I'm keeping this. I don't know why I put that in there, but I'm gonna keep them, give that away too. But yeah, so I'm about to put some of these, the stuff I can't fit, in that box. And honestly, they're like clothes I can't fit, but I still want to keep for when I do lose weight. So I feel like the smart thing was to tackle the closet next, and then once I have that all together, I want to wash clothes tomorrow because I have a big thing of laundry right here. So today I'm gonna have this closet packed up. That's my goal. So y'all can watch me finish doing that, and let's see how far we get. Hopefully we have it completely packed up, because today is Tuesday. I really want to have everything packed by Friday or Saturday, so that is my goal. Alright, y'all, we are at Target looking for totes for the clothes that I do wear. And I'm trying to see what would be the smartest thing to do. For my clothes. So those long ones. I like the ones that click. You know?
Those like big enough and they roll.
What?
Okay.
Where?
Right here in front of you. Right here in front of you.
These? Are these 18? Those are $9.
It's magic, girl.
Got me this tape because this is the only one I see with two, so I get a bang for my buck. So I was thinking of just getting the medium ones, but I may get 2 large ones and 2 medium ones. I don't need that much, but also I do. So I'm gonna get 2 medium ones. Hopefully that is cool. And that is enough. Oh y'all. Now what the fuck? Tell me now, would you fly to kiss me? Oh, it's so hot in here, y'all. For you. It makes me where? I think this is so. Have to be what it was and what it is. So yeah, I think that should be good. I don't want to get too many because we do have to buy some for Dorian's apartment too, but also we can do that later, so that's why I didn't want to just buy too many. And I said I'm gonna get 2 boxes, and I'm gonna get another small box just in case. Small box just in case. It won't hurt. Small. Here we go. But yeah, I'll check out and I'll see y'all at the checkout thing. Y'all, I was not recording. So that's cool. But I have this one where you can make your own little compartments, but I seen this and it has a front and back, so you can pull it from, you can open it from this side, and then you can open it from the other side like that and put it in there. So I think that's cool. I think that would be a good go. But I don't really have that much jewelry, so that's why I'm just like, huh? Or this one. This one probably would be cool too, because I don't have that much jewelry. And this is just for like the time being, and you can put the dividers in there if you want to. So yeah, I don't know, y'all. This one is $6, $6.99. And I'm just like, should I just get this one? I'm probably just gonna get this one because I can also use it for other things as well. So I'm gonna put this one back. I'm gonna get that one. Let me see what time it is. Okay. I think I'm gonna go to Chick-fil-A. I'm not sure. And this one is even $10. A stack and carry. That is so cute. What's that? That's $10 too. What y'all think? You can put so much stuff in here. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. So, y'all, I seen this TikTok. Okay. I seen this lady on TikTok with the bedding situation that I kind of wanted. And, she had, I think this was the type, it was like a blanket. I'm trying to see. It was more of a knitted blanket that I was going for, that I like. It was either one of these, and I do like that. Let me see if I can find a cheaper one, but if not, it's either gonna be this one. But it was definitely in this fabric, but I don't like that color. I like this color, but the way she had layered it, y'all, it was so like, yeah, of course I saved it. She was just like, you know, it's good to have layers. She had her sheets, and then she had a blanket on top that she tucked in, and then she had her duvet. And I already know I'm basically gonna get everything she got, but I'm gonna get it in my color, and I'm gonna search for what I like in a sense. So this is $50 for this queen quilted. I think that's good because Dorian don't like to sleep on sheets anyway. I did not film us putting this up because, baby, it was hard. And if you see something that's rigged, that's because that's the only option we had. But I think it looks good. It looks nice. So we gonna get his first pictures over here. We gotta go get some yogurt to finish up the cake like we said. So yeah, that's how it's looking. The last clip y'all seen was y'all seeing us take my bed out. I wasn't able to get any other clips because, y'all, it had got late, and then we had to basically get the bed out of the van up into his apartment. So y'all, I don't know what time it is, but it's probably like 3 in the morning. What time is it?
It's nowhere near 3 in the morning.
What time is it? I swear it's like 3 in the morning. Ouch.
It's 12:46.
Oh. It's 12:46.
It's like 3 in the morning.
I'm so sleepy, y'all. Like, we literally packed up all the boxes, and then tomorrow we gotta unpack them, and it's supposed to be raining. I'm just ready for this to be over. I'm sleepy. We just took some showers. We ain't ate. My feet hurt. His feet hurt. Niles is irritable. So we just honestly just here. We're here, y'all. We're here. This is what I didn't want to go through. I would have paid somebody to do this. I really should have. But when we do make the move to Georgia, we do have movers, so we won't be doing anything but sitting there and watching them move. That's what you pay $3 grand for, okay? Yeah. But yeah, I'm just tired, y'all. I'm tired. I'm happy I had a bath, but I'm tired, and Dorian went to get Waffle House instead of just going to bed. He wants to get Waffle House. Move back. Move back. Move back.